Hi students, complex numbers exercise 2.8. Fifth sum, solve the equation z cube plus 27 equal to 0. See that one? Given equation is z cube plus 27 equal to 0. Z cube equal to minus 27. Plus 27 go to that side, minus 27. Minus 27 can be written as 27 into minus 1. 27 into minus 1. Power 3 go to that side, power 1 by 3. But 27 power 1 by 3 minus 1 power 1 by 3. Okay, 27 3 cube. Okay, 27 equal to 3 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Minus 1. Already I told, write in polar form cos pi plus psi sin pi. Directly we can write cos pi plus psi sin pi whole power 1 by 3. Okay, value equal to 3. Now add 2k pi. Sum general value 2k pi. Cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi power plus pi whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3. Okay, whole power 1 by 3. Apply de Moivre's theorem. Apply de Moivre's theorem. 3 cos 2k pi plus pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 3. Okay, here 1 by 3 means k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 values. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now k equal to 0. K equal to 0 means z equal to 3 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Okay. Here k equal to 0 means this value equal to 0. Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 cis pi by 3 we can write. K equal to 0, z equal to 3 cis pi by 3. K equal to 1 means z equal to 3 cis 3 pi by 3. 2 pi plus pi. 3 pi by 3. 3 cancel. Cis pi oda value. Cis pi means cos pi plus I sin pi equal to minus 1. That is a minus 3. K equal to 2. K equal to 2 means z equal to 3 cis 4 pi plus pi. That is 5 pi by 3. Get the answer. Okay. Next, sixth one. Omega not equal to 1 is the cube root of unity. Show that the roots of the equation z minus 1 whole power 3 equal to, plus 8 equal to 0 or minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. See that one? Given omega is a cube root of unity, z minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0 given. Okay, plus 8 go to that side, minus 8. But z minus 1 whole cube equal to, the minus 8 can be written as minus 2 whole power 3 into 1. Minus 2 whole power 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. What is the value? Minus 8. Minus 2 whole power 3 into 1. Okay. Z minus 1 equal to power 3. Go to that side, power 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 3 power 1 by 3. Here 3 power 1 by 3. Cancel. Okay, we get minus 2. Minus 2, 1 power 1 by 3. But the value equal to minus 2 into 1 power 1 by 3. Okay, 1 power 1 by 3. But cube root of unity are 1 omega square. This one is you know. Cube root of unity 1 omega square. Okay. Z minus 1 equal to minus 2. First take z minus 1 equal to minus 2. That is z equal to minus 2 plus 1. Z equal to minus 1. Okay. Z minus 1 equal to next omega. Next take omega. Minus 2 omega. Minus 2 omega z equal to minus 1 go to that side plus 1. 1 minus 2 omega. Next z minus 1 equal to here omega squared. Cube root of unity. Omega squared minus 2 omega square. Z equal to plus minus 1 go to that side plus 1. 1 minus 2 omega square. But the roots are minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. That only want to find. Okay. Seventh one. Find the value of sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9. Okay. K equal to 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 given. Okay. that value equal to, want to find the value, z power n equal to 1. I will take z power n equal to 1. But z equal to 1 can be written as cos 0 plus I sin 0. N go to the side, power 1 by n. Add some general value cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. Apply De Moivre's theorem, cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. K equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n minus 1. Okay, n equal to 9. Put n equal to 9. I will take n equal to 9. But z equal to cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9. I sin 2k pi by 9. But that value equal to 9 means k equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 8. 8 terms. That is the 9 terms, 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 8. Okay, put k equal to 0. 0 means cos 0 plus I sin 0. 1 means 2 pi by 9, sin 2 pi by 9. Similarly, okay, this can be written as k equal to 0 to 8. K equal to 0 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. Reason, sum of the 9th root of unity are 0. Sum of the cube root of unity 0, sum of the 4th root of unity 0, sum of the nth root of unity are 0. Similarly, sum of the 9th root of unity are 0. 9th root means sum of the 9th root, k equal to 0 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 equal to 0. Okay, now substitute 0, cos 0 plus I sin 0, sigma k equal to 1 to 8. Only one term I will substitute, cos 0 plus I sin 0, k equal to 1 to 8, write as it is. Okay, equal to 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0 equal to 1. Cos 0 plus I sin 0 equal to 1, value equal to 0. Plus 1 go to that side, minus 1. Get the answer, the value equal to minus 1. Okay, next, 8th sum. If omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6, 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6 equal to 128. Second one, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega power 4, 1 plus omega power 8 plus etc. 1 plus omega power 2 power 11 equal to 1. LHS 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 6. LHS, see that one, minus omega, right as it is, 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square, already you know, 1 plus omega squared equal to 0. Appo 1 plus omega squared equal to minus omega. Okay, then 1 plus omega squared equal to minus omega whole power 6 plus minus omega squared, right as it is, 1 plus omega equal to minus omega squared. Using this, 1 plus omega equal to minus omega squared whole power 6. Minus omega minus 2 omega whole power 6 plus minus 2 omega squared whole power 6. Okay, now minus 2 power 6, what's the value? 64 omega power 6 plus minus 2 power 6, 64 omega power 12. Omega power 6, what's the value? Omega power 6 can be written as omega cube into omega cube. This value equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay, appo omega power 6 value equal to 1. Okay, similarly omega power 12, omega power 3, omega power 3 into omega power 3. Okay, 4 times. Here also 1, but 64 plus 64 equal to 128. We get the answer. Okay, second part, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega power 4, 1 plus omega power 8, etc. 1 plus omega 2 power 11. Okay, first take two terms. 1 plus omega plus 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega minus omega square, 1 plus omega square minus omega. multiply omega cube equal to 1. Okay. Next, third and fourth term, 1 plus omega power 4, 1 plus omega power 8. Okay, omega power 4 can be written as omega power 4, omega cube into omega. Omega cube 1, that is a omega only. Okay, அப்போ 1 plus omega power 4 equal to 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega power 8, omega power 6 up to 1. Balance omega squared. அப்போ 1 plus omega squared. This value minus omega square, this value minus omega, multiply omega cube equal to 1. Okay, similarly last term 1 plus omega 2 power 11. What is the previous term? 1 plus omega 2 power 10. So 1 plus omega 2 power 10, 1 plus omega 2 power 11. 2 power 10 value 1024. Divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, balance 1, 12. 4 3s are 12, 4, 1 3s are 3, balance 1. Okay, up to 1023 omega 1. 1023 omega 1, balance 1, that is a omega. Okay, then only 1 plus omega. Similarly, 2048 divided by 3, 2046 value 1, balance omega square. Okay, 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square, 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega, that value equal to 1. Okay, now value 1, this value also 1, etc. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1. Okay, we get the answer. Understand or not? Okay, see the ninth sum. If z equal to 2 minus 2i, find the rotation of z by theta radians in the counterclockwise direction about the origin when theta equal to pi by 3, theta equal to 2 pi by 3, theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, z equal to 2 minus 2i, r equal to r root of 2 square minus 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8, root 8. Root 8 value 2 root 2. 2 root 2, alpha equal to argument tan inverse of y by x. Up tan inverse of minus 2 by 2 cancel, modulus means 1. Okay, but tan inverse of 1 equal to pi by 4. See that one? Plus minus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, theta equal to minus alpha, theta equal to minus alpha, theta equal to minus pi by 4, theta equal to minus pi by 4, z equal to, write in polar form, r equal to 2 root 2, r equal to 2 root 2, theta equal to minus pi by 4, cos minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. But z equal to 2 root 2, write in Euler's formula, Euler's method. Euler's method, what is the Euler's method? E power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, this one is the Euler's method. Okay, now here z 2 root 2 minus pi by 4, that is e power minus I pi by 4. Okay, இப்போ z implies z equal to e power I theta, z equal to e power I theta, theta equal to first term pi by 3, theta equal to pi by 3, by z1 equal to 2 root 2 e power minus I pi by 4, z value 2 root 2 e power minus I pi by 4, okay, into e power I theta, e power I theta equal to here pi by 3 given, okay, pi by 3, 2 root 2 e power I minus pi by 4 plus pi by 3, taking LCM 12 minus 3 pi plus 4 pi, we get pi by 12. அப்போ z1 equal to 2 root 2 I e power I pi by 12. Okay, and theta equal to 2 pi by 3, z2 I will take, z2 equal to 2 root 2 e power I pi by 4, z value, okay, 2 root 2 e power I theta, e power I 2 pi by 3, e power I 2 pi by 3, 2 root 2 e power I minus pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3, LCM we get minus 3 pi plus 8 pi by 12, 5 pi by 12. அப்போ 2 root 2 e power I 5 pi by 12. Okay. Theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Z3 equal to Z value root 2, 2 root 2 e power minus I pi by 4. E power I theta equal to 3 pi by 2. 2 root 2 e power I minus pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 2. LCM minus pi plus 6 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. I into 5 pi by 4. 2 root 2 e power I 5 pi by 4. Okay. So, when it's a counterclockwise direction means Z implies Z e power I theta formula. Okay. Next, see the 10th sum. Prove that the values of 4th root of minus 1 are plus or minus 1 by root 2, 1 plus or minus I. Okay. So, 4th root of minus 1 equal to minus 1 power 1 by 4. Okay. 4th root means power 1 by 4. Okay. Here cos pi plus I sin pi minus 1 equal to cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 4. Add some general term 2k pi cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi plus pi whole power 1 by 4. Apply de Moivre's theorem cos 2k pi plus pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi plus divided by 4. K equal to 4th root means 0, 1, 2, 3. Substitute k equal to 0. Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Cos 45 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2. Okay. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. K equal to 1. 1 means 2 pi plus pi. 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus theta. Okay. 3 pi by 4 taking LCM 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4. Okay. Plus I sin pi minus pi by 4. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus cos pi by 4. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta. அப்போ sin pi by 4. அப்போ minus cos pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 plus I sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Okay. K equal to 2. 4 pi plus pi. 5 pi by 4 plus I sin 5 pi by 4. That means pi plus pi by 4. I sin pi plus pi by 4. Okay. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta third quadrant. Third quadrant minus. Minus cos pi by 4. Sin 180 minus theta. 180 plus theta minus sin pi by 4. This one is minus 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. Okay. K equal to 3. Cos 7 pi by 4 plus I sin 7 pi by 4. Okay. 7 pi by 4 cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. LCM 8 pi minus pi 7 pi by 4. Okay. 2 pi minus pi by 4 minus I sin 2 pi minus 4. 2 pi means 360. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta which quadrant? 4th quadrant. Okay. 4th quadrant cos pi by 4 plus sin 360 minus theta minus pi by 4. Already this one is we have studied in 11th standard. Okay. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. See that one. 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. Okay. Here minus 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. Okay. 4 roots can be written as plus or minus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 common in all the terms. 1 by root 2 balance 1 plus or minus I. Okay. Can find the answer. Thank you students.